Hey guys, I went to the pumpkin patch a few days ago and got these 3 things to paint. I'm not sure what these 2 are called, but they look cool. The green one reminded me of an eyeball. I painted it white. Then drew 2 circles at the end. I painted the outer circle green and the inner circle black. Then added red veins meeting at the stem. I overlapped them and added shorter veins. Then added details. I like adding drips to stems. I've done it for the past 2 years. For this one, I added hot glue and painted it black. The orange and dark green one looked like a claw. I painted the base a lighter green and added sharp ends to make the claw stand out. It already had gashes, so I painted them red and added a few more. Again, I added hot glue to the stem and painted it red. For the ghost pumpkin, I wanted arrows. I used a graham cracker box to make the ends of my arrows and cut toothpicks to form the shaft. I used hot glue to connect my pieces. Then ripped filler paper and covered the ends of the arrows. I primed and painted them. I didn't like how these looked, so I changed the colors later. I marked where the arrows would go and hot glued them in place. I painted the arrows red and made the drips green. And here's how they turned out.